What could be causing my Whirlpool refrigerator to stop cooling, and how can I fix it?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue with Whirlpool refrigerators. They sometimes stop cooling as they should. It can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. We'll go over some potential causes for this issue and discuss how you might be able to fix it yourself.
Why is my Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling?
There could be several reasons why your Whirlpool refrigerator is not cooling. Let's take a look at some of the most common ones. 1. The condenser coils are dirty. Over time, dust and debris can accumulate on the condenser coils, which are found at the back or beneath your fridge. These coils dissipate heat as the refrigerant passes through them. If they're clogged with dust, they can't effectively dissipate heat, causing the fridge to work harder and potentially leading to cooling issues. 2. The evaporator fan is not working. The evaporator fan circulates the cold air throughout the fridge. If it's malfunctioning, it can result in improper cooling. 3. The start relay is defective. The start relay provides power to the compressor. If it's defective, the compressor may not start, leading to a lack of cooling. 4. The temperature control thermostat is not working properly. This part directs voltage to the compressor, evaporator fan motor, and condenser fan motor. If it is not working correctly, it may not send voltage to these parts, causing the refrigerator not to cool.
How can I fix the cooling problem?
Let's go over how to troubleshoot and potentially fix each of these problems. 1. Clean the condenser coils. Unplug your fridge, locate the coils, and clean them with a coil brush or vacuum cleaner. Regular cleaning of these coils, around every 6 months, is a good maintenance practice. 2. Check the evaporator fan. You'll usually find the evaporator fan behind the back wall of the freezer compartment. If the fan is not running when the fridge is on, it likely needs to be replaced. 3. Test the start relay. You'll find the start relay attached to the side of the compressor. To test it, you'll need a multimeter. If it doesn't have continuity between the start and run terminal sockets, it's likely defective and will need replacement. 4. Inspect the temperature control thermostat. To test this, you'll need to turn the thermostat from the lowest setting to the highest, listening for a click. If you don't hear a click, the thermostat likely needs to be replaced. Please note that while these are DIY solutions, some issues might require a professional's touch. If you are not comfortable performing these checks or the issue persists after attempting these solutions, it would be best to contact a professional technician or the Whirlpool customer service line for further assistance. And there you have it. We've gone through some of the most common reasons why your Whirlpool refrigerator might not be cooling and how you can fix it. With a little patience and a hands-on approach, you might be able to solve the problem yourself. However, if in doubt, always remember that a professional's help is just a call away. Thanks for tuning in and good luck with your fridge.